Guys, I'm so happy some of you want to learn this dance, so let's get straight into this tutorial. Right, your right leg is going to go first. Here, up to jump out with both feet. There you go. So prepare, jump. And as you jump, your hands are to the side. Now you want to bring your knees in together, boom, and then your left knee out to the left. Now as that knee is out, my heel is kind of above the ground. So you just want to bring that heel down, bring the toes forward, in, na, na, na. And as you do that, I need to see your waist giving me a little whine. Perfect. And as you end it, 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. That's what you want to do with your hands. Now from here, we're going to do the jazz. So your right leg is going to go behind your left like this. Then your left steps. Then the right leg comes back out. Then you do the same on the left. 1, 2, 3. So it should look like this. 1 and 2. Hey, 3 and 4. Great. Now you're going to step forward with the left. Here, you're going to give me a Michael Jackson kick. Boom, bam, with the right leg. And then you're going to shuffle for 1 and 2 and 3. The right leg comes out and then it goes behind, step, then the left in front steps. Now, as you do that, your hands are going 1 and 2. Cool, I'm going to show you one more time. So from here, 1 and 2. Cool. Now, you're going to step forward, left, come in with the right, then you're going to drop down, and you're going to go into a network for 4 counts. Back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're not out of shot, keep going until you're out of the shot. There you go. Ha, ha. Right. Let's do it from the beginning, okay? 5, 6, 7, and up, out. Doom, doom. 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap. Jazzy. Jazzy. Kick, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Network. 2, 3, 4. To the side. Hey, aye, aye.